3832, 10-8, headed for the happiest place on earth, Winnipeg.
Yeah, right. Hang on a second, I didn't send in Osmond stuff. Osmond, you said you were in 38917, right? Yeah, some full right, received them. Yeah, it looks like you got like, it looks like 4 of them. That's because you had one of those grandpa jobs. Okay, I'm going through channel 6. You got all of them, right? Yeah, some full, I got all of them. Alright, good copy. Alright, 3832.
Alright, 10-8, over to channel 6.
Alright, David, have a good one over there.
Thanks, have a magical day.
10-4. Break up in 3. Give me a bad number. 1817. Hey, 917. Good afternoon, Maria. Tonight. Afternoon, Osmo, to the zone. Copy that.
3832.
Go ahead, David.
3832, 10-8.
To the zone.
Zone 10-4, 3832.
Jesus Christ! And there's 12 apostles.
Toronto's #1 for breaking news, traffic, and weather. This is City News 680, everywhere.
Today's Wednesday, February 28th. Good afternoon. I'm Sluljana Timinzik.
And I'm James Monroe. Here's making news right now.
A crash on the southbound Don Valley Parkway leaves 2 people with life-threatening injuries. At least 2 vehicles were involved. It caused a 4.5-hour closure.
A reminder that winter is far from over. Warm temperatures have been pushed out by a sharp cold front.
Stand-up legend and Curb Your Enthusiasm co-star Richard Lewis has died. Co-star Larry David calling him a brother.
The Raptors look to make it 4 in a row with Dallas in town. The 2018 World Junior Sex Assault case will go to a trial by jury, and the Blue Jays won today. Sports at 45.
Most sectors fell into the red, but one Canadian bank stock closed just off an all-time high. The TSX did fall 75 points and the Dow by 23. Business at 56.
City News time, 5:31.
Traffic and weather together on the ones brought to you by the Monitoring Center and the Cruiser. Here's Kyle Hawking.
It's heavy in sections on the 401. In some spots heavier than normal, and in other spots it's not quite as heavy as we usually see it. Eastbound delays from east of Dixie in the collectors to the 427 ramps. Still pretty slow across the city. 427 to Victoria Park Express to Kennedy collectors. Where it's a bit lighter than usual is in Durham region. Just a slowdown from Westy to east of Salem. And not bad on the westbound 401 in Durham. It's moving pretty well. You do get into volume from Victoria Park collectors onto the 404 ramp. It's heavy approaching Leslie, alternately express at collectors to Dixon, which is fairly normal, and often on volume 427 to west of the 410 in the collectors. Also busy through Highway 25. From the 680 Traffic Center, Carrie Prunskis.
If you're getting around on city streets, you want to avoid eastbound York Mills between Leslie and the DVP. The traffic lights are out at York Mills and Silverdale, just west of the DVP, so that is just causing a huge backup eastbound on York Mills, whereas it's not too bad for westbound traffic on York Mills, so you don't need to take an alternate route there. On the northbound 410, there's a collision north of Beauvert. It's on the right shoulder, but a very slow drive up the northbound 410 from the 407 to north of Beauvert. Northbound DVP, busy approaching Bloor, and then again from Don Mills to York Mills, and it's slow on the northbound 404 from the 407 to north of 16th Avenue. Expect delays on the southbound 404 DVP from Finch to the 401 ramps and from York Mills to south of Lawrence. Everything's expensive right now, but your alarm monitoring doesn't need to be. The Monitoring Center has the lowest monthly rates for your home or business security. Visit themonitoringcenter.com for details. Now with the forecast, here's meteorologist Carl Lamb.
Okay, well, we have a really sharp temperature drop that we've had so far today. It's -2 at Pearson, feels like -12. Winds are gusting up to 80 kilometers per hour. You're feeling it if you're just driving home right now. Those winds are kind of rocking your vehicle, shall we say. But we are watching for some snow showers. The further north you go, some of those snow squalls could be intense at times tonight. -6 is the overnight low, but wind chill tonight will be closer to -15 in many spots. So definitely just prepare for really cold conditions tonight. Tomorrow, sun and cloud, and we do also still have the chance for snow showers, and -1 will be the high. Right now, it is -2 at Pearson, -1 downtown. Tonight's overnight.
Watch where you're going, you dumbass!
A portion of the southbound 404 Don Valley Parkway is open again, but 2 people remain in hospital tonight following a noon-hour collision south of the 401.
City's Alex Bloomfield is near the scene and joins us with the latest.
It seems at least 2 vehicles were involved in this. A gray sedan that took the brunt of it, badly damaged, believed to have bounced off the sound barrier. Fire crews cutting a piece of the car to get the passenger out. A man and a woman both rushed to a trauma center with life-threatening injuries. There was also a white pickup truck with very light damage that was towed away by police. This happened around 12:15 in the afternoon between the 401 and York Mills on the southbound DVP. Traffic flow was cut off for about 4.5 hours during the investigation. At this point, we don't know any of the factors that may have caused this incident. In North York, Alex Bloomfield, City News.
A special weather statement remains in place as wind gusts pick up and temperatures drop. We hit an unofficial daily record earlier today at more than 16 degrees. That was a while ago, though, now. City's Phil Martino is following the developments and joins us live with the latest. Phil.
So, Jana, here's the hoping you packed a hat and gloves this morning. After reaching a high of 16 at noon, the temperature has now dropped to -2, feeling like -12. That's cold. City Chief Meteorologist Natasha Remzahai says a cold front pushed out the warmer temperatures.
The temperature drop was sharp. We dropped from 16 degrees down to 9 degrees in just 6 minutes. That happened between 12:02 and 12:08 p.m. We dropped another 3 degrees 9 minutes later, and then dropped to 4 degrees at 1 p.m. So essentially, we had a 12-degree temperature drop in an hour this afternoon.
Today's unofficial high of 16.5 beat the old record high for February 28th of 16.2 that was set back in 2018. The cold front also came with strong winds, expected to be around this evening as well, and the wind is creating some issues for Toronto Hydro.
We're currently responding to scattered outages across the city due to high winds.
That's spokesperson Daniel McNeil. He says crews are working as quickly and safely as possible to restore power. There's a silver lining. The forecast is calling for sunshine in double digits Friday through Saturday. Through Sunday. Phil Martino, City News.
Breaking news from Hollywood. Actor and comedian Richard Lewis has died. Scott Burnett joins us live with what he knows. Scott.
What the fuck do I care about this? Yo, fuck off. Grow the fuck up. It's shit. And they're shitting all over us.
Anyone else?
So beautiful. One churro, please.
That'll be $14.
Oh! Oh! Here.
airport, the short movement is headed your way, 1350 for Walt.
3832, standing by at Cruiser Beach.
Yeah. Start the computer. Copy number 1. I'm going to take a look around.